Hey y'all, Crystal and MrsHappyHomemaker.com here, and I am making pecan pie cake in the crock pot. Yes, in the crock pot. This recipe has 5 ingredients. It is super easy, super yummy, and I'm gonna show you how it's done. I've actually got 2 eggs in my bowl, and I'm whisking them and getting to a little bit foamy. And I'm using my handy dandy spring whisk, which if you've never seen one before, they're springy, so springy. So when you whisk it, the spring action goes up and down, and it mixes and whips a lot better than a traditional whisk. There is actually a link for it in the description if you're interested in it, like an Amazon link. So cool, huh? Threw that in the sink, by the way. All right, so I've got 2 eggs in my bowl, and I'm gonna push this to the side and get me a warmer bowl. And I am gonna put a cup of chopped pecans in here, a cup of pat brown sugar, and half a cup of all-purpose flour. Get that all out. And I'm gonna mix that together. I might should have used a little bit bigger bowl. Actually, I think I am gonna use a bigger bowl. So, how about this one? There we go. There we go. So I'm gonna mix the flour and the pecans and the brown sugar together. And now I'm gonna take a stick of butter, melted, and pour it in. Mix it up. And now I'm going to add the eggs that I beat. Pour them in there. And give that a good stirring to combine it all. And actually, I am going to add a little bit of vanilla. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes I do. I'm going to pour some in this time. Ta-da! All right, my crock pot. I've got this neat 9x13 crock pot that I love. I like baking or doing crock pot cakes in it because it's that typical, 9x13 cake size, so it works really well. So I'm gonna get, it's right in front of my face, my cooking spray. Give it a nice coating. And then I am going to pour my cake batter inside with the spatula. Being sure to get as much of it out as I can. And spread that. Easy, huh? So I'm gonna grab my lid over here. So get my lid, put it on, and cook it on high for about 1.5 to 2 hours, and it's gonna be delicious. I'll show you in a bit.